Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to compute BIR Form 1701. First, gather all your income and expense records for the entire year. This includes official receipts, invoices, and any other proof of transactions. Ensure all documents are properly organized to simplify the computation process. This initial step is crucial for accurate tax declaration and avoiding discrepancies. Next, sum up your gross income from all sources related to your business or profession. Then, determine your allowable deductions. You can opt for itemized deductions, which require detailed record-keeping of expenses, or choose the 8% income tax rate if your gross sales do not exceed 3 million pesos. Select the method that best suits your financial situation. Once you have your total income and deductions, calculate your net taxable income. This is your gross income minus your chosen deductions. Refer to the current BIR tax table to determine the corresponding tax due on your taxable income. Remember to account for any creditable withholding taxes or quarterly payments you have already remitted throughout the year. Finally, meticulously review all the information entered on your BIR Form 1701. Double-check all figures to prevent errors that could lead to penalties. Once confident, you can file the form either online through the eBIR Forms package or manually at an authorized agent bank. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. This ensures a smooth and compliant tax filing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.